Why does the color of the sky appear blue? Did you know this or not? So let us just tell you, the atmosphere around the Earth is air. It contains molecules of many types of gases and water droplets or steam. Nitrogen is the highest among the gases, about 78%, and oxygen about 21%. Also there is argon gas and water. It contains dust, ash and salt from seawater, etc. We think the color of our sky is sky because of these things. Actually what we call color is light. Light travels in waves or waves. Things in the air block these waves. Longer waves have less interference. They are bigger than dust particles. That is, red, yellow and orange waves of light are not visible. But small waves are stopped by particles of gas or dust. And this light collides and spreads all around. Blue color travels in short waves in the spectrum of light. When this blue color spreads, it seems to be the color of the sky. Why do stars appear to be falling apart? Many large formations are present in space, which are located at a distance of billions of kilometers from the Earth, which we see in the form of stars. When they enter the atmosphere from outer space, they become hot and glow due to the rubbing of air. These meteors are also called. Most of the meteors burn completely in the atmosphere, but some big meteorites reach the Earth when they see them falling. Then we say that the star is breaking. Why are stars not visible during the day? There is a dense atmosphere around the Earth, which scatters the sunlight around it, due to which the sky becomes bright during the day and the stars are not visible, whereas on the moon, where there is no atmosphere, the stars can be seen even during the day. Why does ice float on water? When a liquid turns into a solid, its volume decreases and it becomes heavy, but this is not the case with water. Because it becomes lighter than water, that's why ice floats in water. Why doesn't a spider stick to its own web? The spider weaves a web to trap its prey. Small insects get easily caught in this trap. It is very difficult to get rid of these insects. But if you have ever looked closely, you must have found that the spider itself moves easily from one place to another in that web. Do you know why this happens? The entire spider web is not made of adhesives. She weaves only part of it sticky. At the same time, apart from this, the part where the spider itself lives comfortably, it is made without sticky material. So she easily moves around in it. By the way, to avoid getting trapped in its own web, the spider comes up with another trick. She cleans her feet very well every day so that the dust and other particles on them are removed. Some scientists believe that the spider's leg is oily, so it does not get caught in the web and keeps moving around in it. But the truth is that spiders do not have oil glands. At the same time, some scientists attribute this to the hair present on the legs of the spider, which has no effect on the viscosity of the. When we have a cold, there is a loss of smell from our nose. The function of smelling the smell is done by our nose. When we smell an odor, the information of smell reaches our brain through the nerves of our nose, which gives us the information about the smell. But when we have a cold, the ends of the nerves carrying the message are closed due to mucus, due to which the information of smell does not reach our brain. That is why when we get a cold, our nose stops smelling.